how to add privacy policy to Squarespace. So first, go to your Squarespace website and then just click on pages. Next is click on the plus icon beside main navigation. Then just click on page layouts. Okay, next just scroll down here and then just click on privacy policy. Then you'll see all of the templates that you can use. So for me, I'll just choose this. And then as you can see, here's my privacy policy. You can just rename it. I'll just leave it as default. Then after that, okay, it will load. Now this is how it would look like on your page. Then if you want to edit it, just click on edit. Then just double click here and just erase this one. I don't understand this. Just type whatever you want here, then just click on save, and that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.